Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the calculator and clearing memory so results aren't contaminated. Enter the exact expression now. If it's more than one term, wrap it in parentheses so the calculator evaluates correctly. Press the ln key when your value or parentheses are ready. You do this because ln is a function that applies to the entire argument. Without parentheses, you risk evaluating only part of the expression. Once done, you're ready to compute. Now compute while watching the display. If your input is negative or 0, the calculator will error because natural log is undefined for those in the real numbers. For fractions, type the division explicitly or use parentheses so ln 1/2 is calculated rather than ln1 divided by 2. If you want exact rational output, switch to fraction mode. For approximate values, use decimal mode. Make sure to press equals only after the full argument is entered, so the function applies correctly. Finish by reviewing the result for plausibility. A positive input yields any real number. Small inputs yield negative results. If you saw a syntax or domain error, recheck parentheses, ensure the argument is positive, or convert complex inputs to real-valued equivalents. If precision looks off, switch to scientific mode for more digits and recompute. One quick troubleshooting tip. If the calculator errors repeatedly, convert the expression to a decimal on paper or another device. Then re-enter that decimal and press.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.